Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to know if someone blocked me on X. So you have to open X application on your phone, and at the bottom side of your screen go to search in section, and at the top go to search in bar. And now you want to search for the person's username, someone that you want to check. So tap their profile. And if this person blocked you, you will see a message that says this user has blocked you. So that's the only confirmation how you can check if someone blocked you on X. And additionally, X application does not send a notification to you when someone blocks you. So yes, the only way how you can check that is by going to someone's profile and look for this message. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.